Welcome to our virtual tour of this modern and compact 7 by 10 meters or 23 by 33 feet home design that combines style with functionality. Notice the beautiful blend of materials with brickwork, complementing dark wood panels that give this home its unique character. The large windows on both levels ensure that every room is bathed in natural light while offering views of the surrounding greenery. The ground level extends into an inviting porch area, perfect for those who appreciate outdoor living spaces. Set within meticulously landscaped gardens, this home promises tranquility right at your doorstep. After entering the house, in the left, we have the first living room. We have a white sofa, and here we have 2 plush armchairs in dark gray that not only promise comfort, but also add an air of sophistication to the space. The raw beauty of these concrete textured walls gives character to the room, complementing its contemporary aesthetic. Let's move to the kitchen. This is a chic kitchen. Clean lines, neutral tones, it's the heart of this space. Beyond cooking, this space invites dining. And that view, greenery and sunlight, perfect for morning coffee. Taking you inside this stunning dining space that perfectly captures contemporary living. Take a look at these minimalist cabinets. White with black handles. Check out washer-dryer machine. In the right, we have the fridge. We step into a serene modern bedroom, a harmonious blend of simplicity and comfort. Our hero, this expansive window. It floods the room with sunlight and frames a calming view of greenery outside. The centerpiece, a cozy double bed. The orange duvet adds warmth, inviting you to unwind after a long day. Beside the bed, a minimalist bedside table, a lamp for late-night reading, practical elegance. This second bedroom is similar to the first one. Look up. The wooden ceiling adds texture and balances the room's modern design. This bedroom whispers tranquility, a personal retreat. And look what we've added. A sleek flat-screen TV with video game if you are a gamer on the wooden console at the foot of the bed. Organization meets style. This wooden wardrobe offers ample storage without compromising aesthetics. Let's step into this modern bathroom, a harmonious blend of simplicity and functionality. Notice this chic toilet here? It's not just about looks. And here's where minimalism meets practicality. This compact vanity with ample storage underneath ensures that you can keep your essentials tucked away neatly. The clean lines continue with this top-mounted basin paired with stylish wall-mounted faucets. This bathroom might be small in size, but it's big on style. Let's tour the first floor. And if you're wondering about mobility within this multi-level home, just take a look at these stairs leading up. They're as stylish as they are practical. Check out this spacious beige sectional sofa. It's not just about looks, it's all about comfort too. With plush cushions and stylish throw pillows, it's perfect for family movie nights or just lounging after a long day. Moving over here, we have our entertainment setup. Let's visit this modern bedroom with a minimalist design. Notable features include a large bed with blue and white bedding, a wooden headboard that extends into a desk area, and a desktop computer setup. The textured gray walls here give off an edgy yet sophisticated vibe while complementing these gorgeous light wooden floors, truly tying together modern design elements with warmth and elegance. The bathroom is similar to the ground floor, a harmonious blend of simplicity and functionality. Don't miss out on these hexagonal floor tiles. They're not just trendy, but also add texture and contrast against the smooth surfaces elsewhere in this room. This bathroom might be small in size, but it's big on style. Next, this modern laundry room with beige walls and wooden flooring. There is a stacked washer and dryer on the left, with a white front-loading washing machine on the bottom and a dryer above it. The bed, neatly made with an orange duvet and white pillows, sits next to a window. Sunlight filters through, creating a warm ambiance. A wooden wardrobe stands on the left, and a glimpse of a black television screen peeks from the right. Cozy and inviting. The next bedroom is the same room as this one. It with large windows overlooking a serene body of water. The bed features white bedding, and an orange pillow adds a touch of color. To the right, a desk awaits, perfect for work or relaxation while enjoying the view. Wooden flooring hosts the bed with an orange cover. The concrete textured wall displays a colorful nebula or galaxy image. A desk with an open laptop completes the scene. Simplicity meets the cosmos. As we wrap up our tour, imagine yourself in this peaceful retreat where every element has been thoughtfully curated for both style and comfort. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more home design inspiration.